Good morning. Y'all been waiting on Leg?
Been waiting on Leg. You gonna put that back there and get it wet?
Yeah,
Just.
Is it a frost? Ain't a frost. I got my daggone pajama pants. When I unpacked everything from the bunkhouse, I had no clothes. I put my pajama pants on.
You hunting in pajamas?
Yeah, I'm hunting. How am I supposed to sit in that?
Yeah, we'll move it over. Don't break them cameras out.
That's the money makers.
Where am I gonna sit?
I'm gonna move my vest for
you. Y'all ready?
Huh?
Yeah, fresh water. We going deep this morning.
Fresh water?
Fresh water.
You don't drink salt water?
What, you got a gallon back there or something?
That's what I need. We need more.
Well, old Yellow's here this morning.
Better do something this morning.
Leg call for help.
Yeah, he's been calling.
Let's go. Look at it. It's breaking over there.
Y'all ready? Let's go.
We are Team Wingbone, and we call that boot home. Our turkey hunting experience began when the gobbler killed his first turkey in 1933.
Did you bring your gun?
I got a knot on my thing.
Huh?
Did you bring your gun?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
What are you doing? Putting this on. Had it on upside down. Huh?
Be something to get over here this morning, not hear a peep, huh?
Leg got us a little spot here with a little entail, so that's a good thing. Supposed to be one here on this piece of property. It was seen. There he was! There he was! Y'all heard him? Did you hear him? You didn't hear the turkey call? He's right there. Hey, get over there next to the woods. Y'all hear me? Get over there next to the woods. He's right there.
I took him by the tent.
No, he's way closer. Turkey just called right there. Way early. Probably 15 minutes sooner than he should have. Camera makes it look lighter than it really is. But he's right there. Probably, I'm gonna give him maybe 200 yards, if that. Maybe 200. I say if he's between, yeah.
Oh, we'll keep walking that way.
Yeah. Tell him to hold up just a minute. Let's see, figure out where he's at. He's right here. Where y'all going? Why you got that black hat on?
That's what birds give me.
That's gonna stick out like a sore thumb.
That's a cheap thing. That's the new merch.
No, the black's gonna stick out like a sore thumb. Where y'all think he's at?
Right here. Right here. Yeah.
He gobbled one time early.
I thought it was a turkey. I wasn't positive.
It was a turkey. I stopped because I was filming y'all.
Okay.
Crystal clear. Right over y'all's head.
No doubt. Right towards the moon, so he's right here. timber over here. Huh? Looks like that timber's been cut over here. We discussed that yesterday. I didn't hear you. Yeah. That's where I would say he's at. More than likely, if I was going straight to him.
And he's going to go that way to the field. We're not where he's going to go, I don't think. He's going to want to go towards that back where he's been getting the pictures.
Even if we do have to come to him, we can come from that way. Let's go. When you get up there. Where was that turkey? That was him?
I see him right there.
There's one at three. I thought we were here. No, it's here. It's back here. This turkey here is back behind.
You got to remember they got the jakes here too.
That turkey is right there. That turkey's right on the fence line, I told y'all.
They got some jakes.
That's the turkey. That don't sound like a jake. It's way too good to gobble.
Turkey right there.
Right here. He's right here. He's right behind that camera. What you want to go back?
I mean, you think he's going to go that way, that field, or he's going to go this way?
Well, we seen the track right there last year.
That's where he's been getting all the pictures at right there. At the tent. I said we go this way and get in the woods.
Alright, let's go. This is where we were at last year when the rain was coming. This is where we were at last year when the rain came on us and we got in that tent and had the whole ground blind shaking. It was right over here. The turkey's right there, so we thinking they're gonna go that way because they like to hang out in the field. And that's where the turkey was spotted at. So we're gonna circle around him and got another one gobbling over here. So we got two, one there, one here. And we in between them. That means they may have a problem.
Let's keep going. There he is.
That's one there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
One here, one. Let's go get the train and go up there. That turkey's gonna fly down and come around there. Yeah.
Why come around right?
Yeah.
Let's get right.
That turkey's up there where we first stopped, between there and the camera.
He's right behind the camera.
That's exactly where he's at. And we down here. He gonna come out in that field.
That's why I told Johnny he was coming to get up next to it because I knew he was close. Right there.
We follow away from him now.
Yeah. Walked away from him. Why'd we do that? Yeah.
Why'd we walk away from the turkey? That's like a charging.
What we gonna do?
I'd go back up there in case if he comes, look, listen to him, go to that corner. And just set up right there.
He can't come through the woods. Or is it pretty? I don't know. I've never been in there. All I know is he's been getting pictures of it. Right there. Past the tent. He charged it.
Would you make the decision?
No.
I want you to make the decision and then we can go back to that corner.
come over here.
You're gonna end up scared. Hey, don't get up. Back. Be careful because you might fly out in that field.
I was gonna say, I was gonna try to get to that light pole.
I don't know if we'll make it.
It's right there in the corner.
Better let him gobble one more time before we go up there.
What's that? Good setup right here.
Oh, he's close enough.
Try to close it, bro.
You get up in that hole. I think he's gonna come out there. After that car goes by, I'd call it to him.
Yeah. There's 2 turkeys in here, don't
Yeah.
Yeah. There's 3 turkeys here, Tony.
Wait, let that car back.
I am just juicing it up.
Just put that camera on us, because you ain't gonna be able to film like that. Zoom it out. Okay.
Right?
Yeah. You casted it out over that pond.
Oh, yeah, boy.
You gotta put some leaves up there on the log.
What?
There's a camera on y'all, look.
Yeah.
Put some leaves on the log for me.
Sit on that barbed wire.
Huh?
Just sit on that barbed wire.
I think you can walk down the fence line. That's what I think.
Yep. Right down that road, baby.
Yeah. I just heard it.
Heard him fly down.
Heard him fly down. Right in front of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you ought to call. Call to him. Hello. That was a turkey fly down.
Yeah, bro, sit down.
Heard him? Heard him? He's got to be in the woods, you know? Because I can see way down there. Listen.
He's right on the edge of the woods, huh?
Yeah, he's coming down the edge.
The hand's probably going to be first.
That's what I would think.
He's right on the edge.
Think you ought to call it to him? That's it. Leave it alone. Huh?
I think he may be in the woods. I'm going to use my compactor in case he is coming out here.
Yeah, I think he's in the woods. Right in front of me. Just off the hump.
You don't want to come to that. You don't want to come to that trash.
We fix this. That ain't yeah. Huh?
I didn't hear it.
We fixing the same. It's a little dip.
Getting closer.
Yeah. There he is.
You see?
Yeah. You see him? He's right to where your gun's pointed, Lee. I mean, right down the barrel. That's where he ought to go. I seen him gobbling. I ain't picked him up yet. Just don't move, because he can see us. See him?
I think so.
Oh, I see it.
I see him.
You see him?
Yeah, I got him.
Don't move.
Okay, he's going to the field. He's going to the field. He's probably going to go straight to the field.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I just seen him cut that little gap right there.
Don't move.
He can't see me right now.
Yeah, he's coming in the
Tree
tree.
line that pine.
Be still. There he is. There he comes. There he comes. See him?
He's a gunshot range.
Huh?
He's a gunshot range.
How far is he?
Can't see him.
He's gonna come this way. Just don't move. Don't move. When you gonna shoot him? Is he closing? I could kill him while I'm out.
What about he's going?
You ain't gonna live. It's gonna be worse. Right, raise up, shoot. Raise up. Wait. Don't move. When he struts. Right now. Come on. Shoot him again, Vic. Oh, you got him.
Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot. What was the problem? That green stuff. I just wanted to make it dramatic for footage. Got to get footage. What's the matter? My legs are asleep.
Was that barbed wire eating you up?
What is the matter? What's the matter? Bill, leg, you got no leg. I can't pick it up. Run, get him. Oh God. Why do I get in them situations?
Like, y'all gonna be shocked what I was getting in the camera. I mean,
wide
open. But I had the camera leaned over.
But look what I'm
So when I would look through the viewfinder,
he's wide open the whole
time. But
time.
when I was looking with my eyes, I couldn't see him. And that's what I couldn't tell if you needed to lean right or left. But when he turned around and strutted, that's when I said, move now.
I mean, the turkey ain't 40 steps.
45 steps.
The whole time.
What's he doing? I'm saying, be quiet. He's right there.
I can see him shaking his head. See that holly stuff?
I can see him shaking his head.
I still
kept
shot.
saying he's too far. He's
No, I knew he was 45 steps.
45.
That's when I seen him come across. He'd never come closer. He'd come across right there. I could have killed him right here. Let's go see if I can move. Look at the hooks on him. He got a good thick beard on him now.
I can see him.
Yeah.
Paint.
3-year-old, huh? 3-year-old.
Here.
Whitey still got it, boy.
Why he still got it?
That's a pretty sucker there, boy. Yeah, he's pretty. And we sit here and watch him gobble for what? 10 minutes, 40 steps from us.
Pretty sucker.
Got two. Look how thick it is. Look how thick it is.
Is it too big?
Just one thick one. Look how thick it is.
I looked at it for 30 minutes. I think I was starting to count the hairs in
Count the hairs?
Look, it looked like that when I could see it.
But they got legs shaking there.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, look at that. Do it.
It looked like that.
Look at it.
That's how it looked to me in the camera.
Looks like a Sherwin
I was
Williams.
trying to count the hairs. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. How pretty.
Needle.
3. Shoot him again, man. Shoot him.
What was that turkey gobbler out there? Right there just now?
That's right. That's shot number 3. They dying this morning, ain't they?
Hitting the ground. Fine morning.
Cracker
It was
jack.
just like this yesterday morning. I heard the peep.
My hand's so cold, I think my finger's gonna fall off.
Is it frostbit?
It was on that metal zoom button
Here,
the whole
here.
time. It just freezing. I said, just get tough.
Y'all hear him?
Huh? Yeah.
He just gobbled.
Right there.
Well, let's go kill him.
All right. You gonna film now?
Yeah.
We got one down, got leg on the board in the sip. And we're going after number 2. See if we can't get Turkey Hunter 1. I guess we'll see y'all on the next one.
I can't believe it took me 2 hunts to get that. You said you'd done just one.
That's all you need,
I did 1 hunt for that right there.